Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best barbecue grill tool sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Home Complete 16 Pieces Accessories Barbecue Grill Tool Set. Are you having a problem with your current barbecue tool grilling set? No need to worry again. The Home Complete 16 Pieces Tool Set is our top best, which all barbecue lovers need to have. All accessories are constructed from stainless steel blades and handles. This gives them durability, unlike their wooden counterparts. As a result, when working with these tools, they give you the ability to cook in peace and confidence. The combination of knife, 4 pairs of corn holder, spatula, scraper and integrated bottle opener among others ensures your work is done. The whole set comes encased in a lightweight aluminum case which assists in easy transportation. Above all, the long, strong handles keep you working without experiencing getting burned. An extended warranty backs this kit to ensure you enjoy working without quality doubts. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Blackstone 5PC Professional Grade Grill, Griddle and Barbecue Tool Kit. Cooking like a professional chef requires you to have high-quality cooking utensils. With the tool set from Blackstone, your grilling or barbecuing is now as easy as eating a pizza. Designed featuring heavy-duty stainless steel, holding these tools brings excitement and inspiration. Unlike other sets, this comes with oversized spatulas, 2 bottles for putting water or oil and a copper scraper to keep your grill clean. When having these tools in your kitchen, they ensure that you never experience difficulties when cleaning. Unlike some brands, these are dishwasher friendly, thus eliminating all cleaning hassles. Additionally, their handles are amply insulated for maximum comfort. A bonus cookbook accompanies these cooking tools which ensure you get new recipe tips. At number 3, we have the Cave Tools Professional Barbecue Grill Tool Set. Designed for those settle for nothing but superior quality, Cave Barbecue Tool Set is your thing. Cave tools have many admirable features which set it apart from others. The product passes through several processes to ensure that you enjoy the best barbecue. These processes include initial market research, market surveying and polling, and continual product improvement. The core reason of all these processes is to ensure that 100% quality is what you receive from this product. The material of construction is stainless steel, which is 20% thicker. This quality construction ensures that the tools will never bend or even break when picking your meat from the smoker. To keep your buzz going, the tool set features an integrated bottle opener so that you enjoy your beverages alongside mouthwatering meat. At number 2, we have the Alpha Grillers Heavy-Duty Barbecue Grilling Tool Set. Alpha Grillers Grilling Tool Set complements your professional barbecue skills to ensure that you get the best results. This set encompasses a spatula, fork, turner, and tongs to make sure that you get a hassle-free way of making your delicacies. You will be happy by the way these tools feel sturdy and comfortable on your hands. By having a durable design, these tools provide a long-term service without showing any signs of rusting, bending or even breaking. The versatile design ensures that these accessories are compatible with all grill and kitchen designs. The tool set provides an exceptional service no matter whether you are using charcoal, electric, infrared or rotisserie. Outstanding quality and elegant design is one thing that you will notice from the word go. Contoured grip feature rubber material for safe and comfortable handling. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yukon Glory 3-piece Stainless Steel Barbecue Tool Set. When looking for amazing grilling tools, this set of 3 pieces from Yukon Glory is among the best you can get on the market. It is a versatile utensil set which eases all your cooking styles, whether baking, frying, or grilling. Comprising of fork, tong and 3-in-1 spatula. The tong is serrated at the edges which allow it to pick food without dropping food. Additionally, the spatula is suitable for cutting and tenderizing meat. Moreover, the fork is also serrated to give a firm grip when cooking. Yukon Glory Barbecue Grilling Tools Stainless steel construction. Therefore, when using these tools in everyday cooking to rusting, corrosion, cracking or bending. Each of the featuring tools comes with an elongated handle with a thermoplastic rubber insulation to keep heat away from the hand. The insulation further improves grip, hence preventing slipping. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.